Turning to the latest on COVID-19 in Georgia, the state added over 4,000 new cases since its latest report. 7 more Georgians died and health workers reported over 100 new hospitalizations. In the past week, some of our central Georgia counties reported some of their highest daily COVID-19 cases since the start of the pandemic. Caitlin Heck breaks down the latest trends.
After 3 months of increasing COVID-19 cases, Georgia now reached a new peak, surpassing what some thought would be the worst of the pandemic in July and reaching levels more than 6 times higher than back in April. This is the latest data from the Department of Public Health through Sunday. Now, 3 days after Christmas, more people got COVID-19 than any other day this pandemic, with 7,752 new cases. Now, that falls within the state's 2-week preliminary data window, so we could see more cases added to that total as the state receives more test results from that time frame. Now, even outside the preliminary window, new coronavirus cases in Georgia now surpass levels we saw back in July. Right outside that window, Georgia averaged 4,858 new cases a day, 400 cases more than the peak average in July. Houston County also recorded its highest daily case count last week with 132 new cases on December 28th. That's more than double the previous record of 60 new cases added on July 6th. Right inside the preliminary data window, Houston averaged about 74 new cases a day. Now, that's on par with Bibb County's average at the end of December. Bibb also reported a significant jump in new cases a few days after Christmas, but did not surpass numbers from July. However, we are still likely to see these numbers increase since they fall in that preliminary data window. Many central Georgia counties show similar trends, but Hancock and Twiggs counties report the highest spread rates in our area in the last 2 weeks, at 1,245 cases per 100,000 people in Hancock, 952 per 100,000 in Twiggs. Those are nearly 10 to 12 times higher than the benchmark for substantial spread at 100 per 100,000. Again, Christmas and the New Year holidays are still in the middle of that preliminary data window, so it will take some time before we have a clear picture of its impact on cases. We'll continue tracking all of this data to break down the latest trends for you. I'm Caitlin Heck, 13 WMAZ News.